Okay, here we have Facebook Marketplace. These are all the ads that I saw that were scams. This laptop, $12.89. That's ridiculous. Um, Maybe it's up this way. Okay, let's go back down. Okay. This MSI laptop, that's crazy. Win 10 Pro, $17.89. You can't even get a license for Win 10 Pro for $17.89. That's ridiculous. Core i7 Intel processor, NVIDIA GeForce. Okay, it's ridiculous. Alienware. I'm not gonna even click on that because those are thousands of dollars. Those are phenomenal laptops. MSI. That's a really good laptop too. That's at least $1,000. This Acer's at least $1,000. $12.89 for this laptop. I don't know how Facebook allows this stuff to go on. And they're a tech company, so they know exactly what these things go for. And they have no algorithm to figure that out. Okay, so let's just look at this. This is a OnePlus, 1869. That's impossible because that has like a Hasselblad lenses and stuff like that. I think it's like a 30 megapixel camera. That camera is phenomenal on that phone. $18.68. Try $1,000 for that phone at least. Oh yeah, they're gonna send you a 2-liter stainless steel coffee kettle. And the thing that's sad is that Facebook allows this, as I said before, but this person that's selling this is also paying a lot of money to advertise. So every time I click on this, he's probably paying, 20, 30 cents. Same thing with AdWords and Google. But there's a lot less scams on Google than there is on Facebook. But if you decide to buy something, just make sure that you use PayPal. That's it. Anything else will just be a waste of time. You can use a credit card, but then they have your credit card information. So let's see if you buy it now. Oh, look, shipping is free. Oh, the state gets taxes on this. That's phenomenal. And it's $8.51 for something that weighs 5 pounds. I can't even ship a small package across town for $8.51 with nothing in it. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I just wanted to point this out to you. 990 mile for $40. You know, this is just crazy, all the scams. I would not buy a thing off of Facebook. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. And just, the old adage, buyer beware. Don't buy anything that has to be shipped to you from Facebook. Nothing. If you can pick it up locally, that's about it. I would not have anything shipped because even if it seems like it's reasonable, by the time you get it, it's not going to be as advertised. I'll guarantee it. Like this right now, $98. I have a DJI, and they go for a lot more than that. It's like a $500 quadcopter right there, the 4K camera. They charge you $35 for shipping. Okay, local warehouse too. Wow. Yep. All right. So I just wanted to show you all the scams. Check this out. Be careful of scams when shopping. Don't give out any sensitive personal information. That's a good thing to go by, but I don't even know why they don't even go through their ads because I only went through about maybe 6 or 7 ads with you guys, and everything else seemed like it was kind of legit because most of the other stuff was local. But I mean, this is ridiculous. It's ridiculous that Facebook allows us. Take care. Sorry for the running of the mouth here, but it's just like annoying. Anyway, take care. Have a great day. Bye. Hope this helps you.